Okay, this lesson's on the chain rule. The chain rule is a little technique to use when you want to take the derivative of a function that is to an exponent. Okay, and what I want to do is I'm going to bring my exponent down front, multiply by whatever is there. I'm going to write out what's inside the brackets, reduce the exponent by 1, then derivative of whatever's in the brackets. So, as an example, I have 6x minus 5 to the exponent of 3. So my derivative, following this pattern, is I'm going to bring my exponent in front, multiply it, write out my brackets the way they were, reduce the exponent by 1, and then take the derivative of the brackets, which in this case would just be a 6. And then you can see if you can simplify anything a little further. In this case, I can multiply the first and the last terms together, so my derivative becomes 18 times 6x minus 5 squared. As another example, okay, I want to take the derivative. I'm going to multiply my exponent front. So 8 times 4 is 32. Write out the inside, the brackets, reduce the exponent by 1, and then I want to multiply by the derivative of the inside. Okay? Then you might be able to simplify a little bit further. Again, in this case, I can multiply the first and the last together. And I want to have 32 times 8. 32 times 8 is 256. X times 4x squared minus 3 to the exponent of 3. So you multiply your exponent in front, write it the inside of the brackets, reduce the exponent by 1, derivative of the inside of the brackets. Okay, that's the pattern for the chain rule. A couple more examples. Again, here I'm going to have to do a little bit of work first in order to get it in exponential form. The square root is all to the exponent 1/2. That's what the square root means. So I'm going to rewrite this as being x squared minus 4x all to the exponent of 1/2. Now that I have an exponential form, I can take the derivative. Bring my exponent in front. Write out the inside of the brackets. Reduce the exponent by 1. And then derivative of the inside. Okay. Again, I can probably multiply the first and last together. You can't always do that, but it's worth taking a look. So if I multiply 1/2 by the 2x minus 4, I'm just going to get x minus 2. And then I have x squared minus 4x to the negative 1/2. You might be able to leave it like that, or you may have to write it back down in the denominator because of the negative exponent as being the square root of x squared minus 4x. Okay. Here's another example. Again, I have it all being divided by 2x minus 3. I don't want to do that right away. I need to get it all at the same level. So y is going to equal 5. When it's on the denominator, it really means it's 2x minus 3 to the exponent of negative 3. Now that I'll have the same level, I can follow my pattern. My derivative is multiply, negative 15, inside, reduce the exponent by 1, derivative of the inside. Multiply first and last together again in this case, negative 30, and I have to the exponent of negative 4, I want to put it back down on the bottom and change the exponent to a positive 4. So when you take it from the denominator to numerator, it changes from a positive exponent to a negative exponent, and then again, if you change it from the top back down to the bottom, the exponent changes from positive to negative again. Okay, so this is a simple little lesson on how to do the chain rule. Bring your exponent in front, the insides, the bracket the way it was, reduce the exponent by 1, derivative of the inside of the brackets. Thank you very much.